Hi, and welcome to Legacy Book Coaching and Consulting.com. My name is Eryka Parker. I'm a book coach, editor, and also a publishing consultant. For the past 14 years, I've helped nonfiction and fiction writers reach their goals of becoming successful published authors. I focus on making people see themselves as the amazing storytellers that I see them as. As a result, I aim to provide sensible solutions to make the greatest impact possible in the literary world. For my writers, this involves helping you with goal setting, getting clear on how you want to show up in the world, and breaking down your dreams into bite-sized pieces. I specialize in developmental editing and big picture storytelling. I convey sincere enthusiasm, encouragement, and excitement for my clients' projects. I enjoy assisting in the growth of writers as entrepreneurs and literary professionals on their journey to authorship. My leadership style is democratic and flexible, with an eye toward developing creative potential and creating works of literature and nonfiction that reshape the world one book at a time. For publishing companies and writing organizations, I focus on discovering new ways to connect with your customers and supporting your author's development through custom creative programming. We focus on how to use your everyday environment to create compelling content and eradicate writing obstacles. Together, we discover the author's theme, purpose, and platform in order to sustain long and satisfying writing careers. We also focus on how to be profitable as an author by securing joint ventures, speaking engagements, and creating supplementary products and services. Are you ready to get down to the business of leaving your legacy on the world? If so, please visit the contact page and schedule a free discovery call to get started. I'm so excited to meet you.